Lizzy Anjorin Bobby Bayo wo mo fẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ cause mo rí fídíò ẹ̀ tó ṣe lálẹ́ lè mú fídíò
Hold Iyabo. If anything happens to me, my husband, my children, my business, hold Iyabo, Alice, Ojo, ọmọ bíbí inú Fetuga. Hold that very well. Ó wọnú family mi, ó fi wá gba donation, ó dẹ̀ ń parọ́ mọ́ wa. Ó ń parọ́ mọ́ wa ní ojúkojú nítorí pé ó fi wá gba donation. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìdílé wa ò kàn lọ́wọ́ kò kàn lẹ́sẹ̀. Lizzy Anjorin ò dárúkọ ẹ̀ rí. Àmọ́ torí pé ó fi mí gba donation, ẹ bá mi mú dáadáa tí anything bá ṣe mí. Ẹ bá mi mú Iyabo, Alice Ojo, ọmọ bíbí inú Fetuga, ẹ bá mi mú dáadáa. Ẹ bá mi mú rí 20 ọdún 30 ọdún ẹgbẹgbẹ̀rún ọdún tí irun kan bá tú lára mi, ẹ bá mi mú Iyabo, Alice Ojo, ọmọ bíbí inú Fetuga, ẹ bá mi mú dáadáa. Ẹ bá mi mú dáadáa. Ẹ mú dáadáa. Ó ń fi mí tọrọ bárà. Ó ń parọ́ mọ́ mi. Ó ń fi mí gba donation. Ó rán èèyàn wá sí ilé mi. Wọ́n wá ya fọ́tò ọmọ mi. Wọ́n post ẹ̀ online. Ó lóun fẹ́ serve court letter. Nígbà tí àwọn tó ń serve court letter pè wá, ọkọ mi pe ẹni yẹn pé kó máa bọ̀ nílé. Ọkọ mi fẹ́ gba lẹ́tà yẹn. Ó ní àfi tó bá rí mi. Mi ò dẹ̀ sí nílé. Wọ́n dẹ̀ lọ gba pasting order ní court. Ẹ̀tọ́ wọn ni wípé kí wọ́n snap bó ṣe paste ẹ̀. Wọ́n dẹ̀ dá padà sí court. Àyíbẹ̀kọ́, nígbà tó fẹ́ post fídíò yẹn, wọ́n wá dúró sí ilé kejì sílé mi for over 4 hours. Wọ́n retí kí ọmọ mi dé láti school. Wọ́n wá fídíò ojú ọmọ mi. Iyabo wá serve mi lórí Gistlover, Amebo Gistlover, àtọ̀dọ̀ Esabod ni Iyabo tó fi serve mi ní court letter. Ó dẹ̀ fídíò gbogbo plate number mi. Ó fídíò gbogbo inú ilé mi, gbogbo compound mi. Ó fídíò ojú ọmọ mi. Ó dẹ̀ gbé sí internet. Ó fídíò, ó post house address mi. Ó post everything nípa mi. Ó post ẹ̀ sí online. Ilé wa ó máa ní code. Ó post code ilé mi. Ní Iyabo Ojo. Àwa wá lọ gbá research. Bọ̀bọ́ tó wá post lẹ́tà yẹn. Nígbà tó máa dé court, we have the CCTV, we have the evidence. Ó sọ fún ilé ẹjọ́ pé photo lásán lòun take. Àmọ́ kó tó dé court, fídíò ti wà lórí internet. Kí ni mo sọ? Nígbà tí bọ̀bọ́ tó wá post lẹ́tà, nígbà tó dé court, nǹkan tó sọ fún court ni wípé photo lásán lòun. I have the evidence. Ó máàkì síbẹ̀ wípé fídíò, òun ṣe fídíò. Tí anything bá ṣe mí, tó bá ṣe ọkọ mi, tó bá ṣe ọmọ mi, tó bá ṣe ilé iṣẹ́ mi, tó bá ṣe anything nípa mi, ẹ mú Iyabo, Alice Ojo, ọmọ bíbí inú Fetuga, ẹ mú dáadáa. Ẹ bá mi mú dáadáa. Ó ya ilé mi.
Okay. Lizzy Anjorin, mi ò ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe back and forth lórí gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ yìí. Ó ní tó bá ti ṣe kí ni kó mú Iyabo Ojo dáadáa. So that's what I've been waiting for. Kodaru call me. Now, I think your lawyers, they need to educate you. Give me my phone, please. Your lawyers need to educate you. Good evening, everyone. My beautiful fans, I know a lot of you don't like me doing videos and all those things, but I need to, because this is what I've been waiting for her to do all this while that she has done. Do you understand? What we went for is ADR. We've not started any case. The ADR judge threw the case out, right? Because that woman, normally, I respect her a lot. Even the time we went there, she called us, asked us to go for peace settling and everything. But Anjorin never stopped coming for me and my children and my whole family. Do you understand? So when we went back to court, the woman was, she said it, they had to bring, she took the case away, she transferred the case away from her court. Liz got their case back to her court. And she didn't want to do that case. And for whatever reasons best known to her, she threw out that case. But we have not started. That's ADR. I've not called any witness, not put anybody in a witness box. You haven't gone into a witness box. I haven't gone into a witness box. No witness has been called. So we have not started any case at all. And I've been waiting so bad for you, Liz Anjorin, to mention Iyabo. Because you told them in court, when they were asking you, who is all this secretary, Gislova? You said it's not me. So what is the problem you have with me? You said because I associate with people that bully you. I don't understand. You and I are not friends. We were colleagues. I don't owe you who I am supposed to be close to or who I'm not supposed to be close to. If you have a business with anybody, it is not my business. I don't understand. You have constantly come for people that are close to me. You have constantly dragged people that you see with me. And the only reason why I'm doing a case with you is because of all your defamatory things that you do and say about me. All the accusations that you accuse me of. There is nothing that you have not accused me of. I should be the one saying that if anything should happen to me, Iyabo Jo, or my daughter, Priscilla Ajoke, or Festus Olatunde Ojo, you, Liz Anjorin, should be one of the people they should hold responsible. You, Liz, should be one. If anything should happen to me today, you, Liz, should be one of the reasons, one of the people that they should hold very responsible. And I will tell you why. You alone will start with warrior. Can you come to play you videos of them? You are constantly. Let me even go towards that other one. The other one for
Lizzy Anjorin replied back to Iyabo.
Not this one. I'm even coming. This one. Lizzy Anjorin. There's a lot. I have a lot of your videos, so I want to
mention her name. Mention whose name?
When I ask you to mention
so if I now mention her name, one thing Timo notice ni pe were intelligent, smart.
I have numerous of your so many of your videos. So many. When we get to court, you need to come and explain who you are referring to. You have to come and report. You have to come and because you know that I have filed a criminal. I've gone to write a criminal petition against you, Liz. I heard you too. You've gone to write your own, right? You will come and explain whose child got married recently that your voodoo should kill, grand, mixed with sand. You have to come and translate all these things because you are the one that has constantly been cursing on my children.
ò bẹ̀bẹ̀ fowó tí ò bẹ̀bẹ̀ fọ́kọ. Òun ló jẹ́ kẹ́ lọ fi lọ́rin wòwò. Nílùú.
Constantly, you have been bullying me, my daughter, my son-in-law, my son, my man. There is nobody you've not dragged with me. My friends, anyone you see with me, you will drag them. Recently, indirectly, you dragged them, Mommy Salawa. There is nobody that you've not dragged. There is no allegations that you have not accused me of. You have accused me for the death of Mohbad. You have accused me for... In fact, there was one you even did that you even asked the government that if the government are wise, they are supposed to... Let me see. This one, you even admitted. You admitted to taking my name and my children's name to the herbalist place. You. Me, I don't have a problem with you. I like the fact that you have come out to mention my name, that if anything happens to you, because you said you're not having a case with me, you didn't mention my name. So now, for you to come out and mention my name, that means that you have a case with me. So you have to tell me and come and tell the world and tell the right authorities what case you have with me. You have to come and explain it.
Oya o indugusu odile ejo wi e pasiri e tu ori bi sagba o sha package e lo gbe container won container ba won ya photo kan le ba so pon ti endorse yi o ni bi ja Bedford indugusu ti wo yi lo e lo sanwó gbèsè teje se be so wi pe won ti le Lizzy ile o won ti gba le Lizzy o kò lè dé shop e mo iye bi ìwọ failed actress.
So now my take with you is that every time you have all your issues, to me every time to buy issues, you bring all your issues to me. Oh Lord, do not when transfer or she transfer, you brought it my way. You indirectly describe me. You bring all your problems, your issues, you bring it my way. And you are saying that Iyabo, they should hold me responsible for anything that happens to you. I don't understand this. We've not started a case, so don't celebrate. I like the fact that we've not started a case. ADR, Lashe, go and find out. Let your lawyers advise you on what ADR is. We've not started trial. Me and you, we still do trial. All these allegations that you have, you will come with proof, with evidence. You will bring evidence. How me, my man, every other person around me, how we killed Mohbad. You will explain. Every allegations that you have, you will bring it. Thank God you said the person that came to post the letter in your house works with the court, Abi. You hold the person responsible. All the evidence, but the general public must know that if anything should happen to me, my daughter, my son, my family, anybody around me, they should hold you, Lizzy Anjorin, responsible for it. Because you are the one that has constantly you have constantly be bullying me, constantly be doing numerous. I cannot count the amount of videos of you that I have. Constantly, oh, not once have I defamed you. Not once. But you will constantly come and say things about me. Every time. Different things. Lies upon lies. My daughter that has never done nothing to you, you came for her. You came for her wedding. You talked about her wedding ring. There's nothing. If you're having issues with people and they are dragging you, I don't see why that should be my business. Because a lot of your own people drag me. And I don't think I have one day gone to any one of them to accuse them or accuse you of being the one sending them to me. I have not for once come to say, oh, Liz, you sent your people to me. Oh, never. I see all the videos most times. I see them when they come. They drag me. But I have never accused you for it. Because they are not adults. They have a right to choose who they want to drag and who they don't want to drag. It has something to do with me. If I feel like I'm very uncomfortable with that, I know the right things to do. So you coming out now, gaslighting people, manipulating people, it's not going to work. Kini mo fẹ́ fi, kini tó bá kú kini kó ẹ fẹ́ dà fún mi. I don't have any problem with you. kò sí nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ fi ẹ́ ṣe, nothing, kò sí nothing, there's nothing. The only reason why I have taken the legal actions towards you is because so that you can stop defaming me. I don't have any reason or business with you. You have accused me of so many things. You accused me of buying one phone. You accused me of snapping something. I don't know. In fact, sometimes I sit and I think that, is it the same me you are describing or you are describing somebody else? So me, myself, I am confused. I will need you to actually let us go to court or go anywhere. Do you understand? Where the authorities can actually sit you down and then you can give them these evidences that you always say. Because you always say you have evidence. So you must come with your evidence. I need to see those evidence. Could be jade, could be wa. Could sure. Because you alone have claimed you alone have come to use their voodoo to be cursing on my daughter, cursing on my children. But actually, ori ekpe malo. Ori ekpe báyìí. Oni èpè máa lọ gbogbo èpè tó bá ṣẹ́ fèmí àtàwọn ọmọ ó máa padà sí lórí. Ìyẹn ti di confirm, ó ti di dandan. Do you understand? Ó ti di confirm, ó ti di dandan. Ìwọ ló ní àwọn warriors tó ń jà fún èmi ò ní Ọlọ́run èmi ní tó ń jà fún èmi. Do you understand? Ó ti di confirm, ó ti di dandan. Every way, every manner how you want to go about it, kò lè work. Nítorí pé Ọlọ́run ó ju ẹ̀dá lọ. Ọlọ́run ju ẹ̀ lọ Liz. So you coming out to say, if anything happens to me, because you feel that there's no case. Ti Bere case yo. Ma get it twisted rara. Ti Bere case. Ti Bere case. Show today Supreme Court ni. Ti Bere case now. So don't get it twisted at all. Lizzy Anjorin, we've not started any case. Kò sí nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ fi ẹ́ ṣe. Mo fẹ́ kó wà láyé. Kó wà láàyè. Torí kò sí nǹkan tó máa ṣe. Kò lè bá lọ. So gbogbo evidence, èmi need gbogbo evidence yẹn. Àdótò ṣì Gistlover yẹn mo ní ìdẹ kò wá sọ ẹni èmi gan wá kò help wá because you keep describing me and mentioning that name and different names. Do you understand? So I need you to come kò wá jókòó kò ṣàlàyé ẹni yẹn kò gbé evidence jáde. Ìwọ náà ló sọ pé blackmailer ni Gistlover o ti send owó sí ìgbà tó send owó ṣàmà ní format tó fi send owó sí blackmailer Gistlover. Bóyá o lo crypto ni o, bóyá o send yes account ni o, bóyá o transfer ni o, anyhow tó bá ṣàlẹ̀ evidence nǹkan tó ṣe. Provide it so that they can look for this person that you have constantly tagged to me. Because èmi mo ní pé mention my name, o dẹ̀ jáde o respond sí mi pé if I mention your name, ọmọ mi ṣèyàwó o dá sí. Everything about my life you constantly, even mo lọ party kan tí mọ́mí ìsàláwà nǹkan fún mi. You made an issue about it. Everything about my life, you have constantly made an issue about it. So definitely, you have constantly, indirectly, been tagging me to all these things that you are saying. So please, we have not started a court case. We have not started a court case. We have not even started at all. So that mention my name, you could worry. Because you could connect by me at here. I don't mind share join you. Ajoma ọmọ ẹ bá ṣàlàyé wá ṣàlàyé pé okay o nǹkan báyìí because ẹni tó tag mọ́ mi yẹn ó máa prove ẹ gbogbo èpè tó ṣe fọmọ ọlọ́mọ tí kò ṣe Priscilla ò ṣe tó rò ẹ wàá prove ẹ ibi tèmi ti ṣépè fọmọ ẹ wàá mú jáde ibi tí mo ti bú màmá ẹ wàá mú jáde gbogbo nǹkan tó ní mo ṣe pátá fún ẹ wàá mú gbogbo ẹ jáde má kò máa sọ pé mo lè evidence kò máa flash no show evidence. Do you understand? So don't come and gaslight people. Now I manipulate and when you don't gaslight people, don't manipulate people. Because think I can't there is nothing ìwọ ló ní problem pẹ̀lú mi. Do you understand? Problem tèmi kàn ní pẹ̀lú wọn ni pé gbogbo nǹkan tó accuse me of, you can come and lay it on the table and give them evidence. You can't come now and say things about me and not be able to prove it. Abi? So problem tèmi ní pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ìwọ ló máa ní problem pẹ̀lú mi, ìwọ ló máa ṣọ́ mi kiri. Tí bá lọ bí kan wá rí sọ, tí bá jókòó wá rí sọ, ọmọ mi bá ṣe kan wá rí sọ, tí bá dìde wá rí sọ, tí bá sùn wá rí sọ, ìwọ ló ń rí èpè sọ, ìwọ ló ń rí jàjà, ìwọ ló ló gbórúkọ ọmọ mi àti èmi lọlé babaláwo, ìwọ ló confirm ẹ. Do you understand? You are the one that has a problem with me. Me, I don't have a problem with you. I don't have a problem with you. The only problem I have with you is that all the problems that you have with me, you have to come and face it. And I like the fact that now you are mentioning my name. Ayé àdá o bó ṣe mention name mi ó dá gidi gan ni o wà wá sọ fún àwọn èèyàn Do you understand? Ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan, gbogbo evidence tó lò ní, gbogbo nǹkan tó ní mo ṣe, wà wá sọ. Gbogbo èpè tó ń gbá ọmọ mi ṣẹ́, gbogbo ohun tó ń wish ọmọ mi death, tó ní káwọn government, mo ní fídíò yẹn, tó ní káwọn government bí tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n ṣe kíní kan ni, ó yẹ kó pa ọ̀tá mi dànù. Threat to life. There's everything that you have done. You've done threat to life. You've done threat to the life of my children. You've constantly tagged. In fact, the defamatory things that you have said and done is huge. So it is you, Lizzy Anjorin, ló need láti jáde. Kó wá lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn ìjọba, kó wá gbogbo evidence ẹlẹ̀. Do you understand? So, Shikena, show the video yẹn mo fẹ́ sáré show ẹ. Jọba mi sáré wá. I need to play that particular video for you before I leave this place. Gbogbo tó ń sọ yẹn. Ìyá yìí ti have ṣe mí kí n fẹ́ jọ kí n fẹ́ fi ẹ ṣe. Kí n fẹ́ ìwọ ló ń wà bittered. You are the one who has the problem. Ìwọ ló mọ ohun tó ń ṣe ẹ́. Do you understand? Èmi kò fẹ́ help ẹ láti wá solution sí nǹkan tó ń ṣe ẹ́ yẹn ni. Because you keep mentioning faith actress, Adotoshi faith actress, this love, big loma sono. Do you understand? So, jẹ́ ká help ẹ láti discover ẹ̀yẹn. That's my own take with you. But you are coming out to gaslight to say, if anything happen to me, she had me happen, kí n fẹ́ fi ẹ́ ṣe. Kí ló fẹ́ dà fún mi? Do you understand? Don't forget. Where is it? Bá mi wà náà, ó wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé bí ìbá ló wà? Mo fẹ́ play ẹ̀. It's not this one. Is it that one? If I go my post this on the page. It's here. Go and look for it for me. Let me look for it. Go outside, play them. Go and bring it for myself. Do you understand? So, Amy, do you understand? All this one that you are coming out, stone, so, if anything happen to me, what are kini kan sílé, what your picture mo, what she kini kan, what post sorry kini kan. I don't know what you're talking about. All those things you can take the evidence to court. Do you understand? You can take the evidence back to court. Because me, I really want us to go to court so that I just need you to come so that we can even help find out this person that you've been, you understand, that you've been coming for all this while. This faith that just Adotoshi just lover that you've been shouting and screaming, that you've asked the government to kill, that you've asked that the person's child to die, that you've asked that person to die. There is nothing that you've not said. So me too, I really want to help you. So all those evidence that you have, please do yourself a favor and take it to the right authorities. Because in me, I have already written a petition. Again, we are not ending it here. It cannot end here until you come out and say all these things and bring the person out. All these allegations, you have to come and prove every single one of them. Every single one of them. You have to come out and prove it. Oh yeah, ben. I prove well. Ele not to the two son no. I prove well. I prove well. For that video and probably post it so that you guys can see a video where she was asking the government to come and kill some failed actress this lover Adotoshi. She has to. You cannot put my life at risk. Lying, I mean the defamation. God, saying so many unspeakable things, accusing me of so many things, so many things. And then you come and start playing victim. This is the height of manipulation. You don't understand. Do you understand? The height of manipulation. Immediately you heard I went to Alagbon to file a criminal petition. You quickly went to Abuja to file a petition. Petition of and then you come out and start saying that you will be responsible. Yeah. What we did before was ADR. And that one has not worked. We've not gone to try. We've not started. Nothing. 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 Toyosi, sure, really? Okay, no, Walasha, guys, let me go and sleep, Jerry. If anything should happen to me, or my daughter, or my son, or my man, or anybody, Anjorin is one of the people that you should hold responsible. Good night.